DJI has done it again. The long-awaited Osmo Action 6 isn't just another iteration, it's a full-fledged declaration that DJI intends to dominate the action camera market once and for all. What makes this release so exciting isn't just the hardware bump, it's the thoughtful evolution of every single detail that creators have been asking for. The Osmo Action 6 takes what the Action 5 Pro did right and amplifies it to a whole new level, starting with its most headline-grabbing upgrade, the sensor. This time around, DJI is rumored to be stepping up from the Action 5 Pro's 1.3-inch sensor to a massive 1-inch sensor. That's roughly a 40% increase in surface area, which means more light, richer detail, and better performance in low-light conditions. For filmmakers, vloggers, and adventure seekers, this is a game-changer. A bigger sensor doesn't just mean sharper images, it means cleaner shadows, smoother gradients, and a more cinematic look even in challenging environments like dawn hikes or night city rides. Pair that with a newly added variable aperture that ranges from f2.0 to f4.0, and suddenly you've got true creative control right at your fingertips. And like the fixed f2.8 aperture of its predecessor, this variable system lets you dial in the perfect exposure for any lighting situation. Shooting in bright sunlight, tighten it up to f4.0 for smooth, well-balanced highlights without relying on ND filters. When the light dips, open it wide to f2.0 and watch your footage stay clean and vibrant. This kind of flexibility is rare in the action camera world and pushes the Osmo Action 6 into territory previously reserved for higher-end mirrorless and cinema cameras. Design-wise, DJI isn't resting on its laurels either. The front face has been refined with subtle yet impactful changes. The familiar pill-shaped accent beneath the front screen is gone, replaced by a sleeker white square next to the Action logo. It's not just for looks, this area is believed to now house the color temperature sensor, which used to sit hidden inside the logo's O. The result is a cleaner, more cohesive appearance that feels more premium and intentional. A small new dot beside the logo has sparked speculation it could be an ambient light sensor for automatic screen brightness adjustments or perhaps a discrete microphone input. If it's indeed the former, it would mark the first time DJI has separated display brightness control from the main imaging sensor, which could improve power efficiency and user experience in varying lighting conditions. Every tweak here feels deliberate. DJI isn't reinventing the wheel, they're perfecting it. From the slightly thicker body to the enlarged circular lens now surrounded by a textured metal bezel, the Osmo Action 6 looks and feels more robust and professional than ever. The design is rugged yet elegant, maintaining the IP68 waterproof rating safe up to 20 meters without a case. It's the kind of device that looks just as at home on a snow-capped mountain as it does on a tropical beach. Now let's talk performance. The Osmo Action 6 doesn't just look better, it's an absolute powerhouse under the hood. This will be DJI's first action camera with a full 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of shooting at jaw-dropping resolutions. We're talking 8,000 video at 30 frames per second, 5.3K at 60 frames, and 4,000 at a silky smooth 120 frames per second. It's also rumored to support 10-bit D-Log-M color with over 13 stops of dynamic range, giving creators stunning flexibility in post-production. That's not just marketing talk. This puts it squarely in professional territory. You can capture cinematic footage, color grade it beautifully, and retain detail in both shadows and highlights like never before in a compact camera. Stabilization has always been one of DJI's strong suits, and the Action 6 pushes it even further. The introduction of RockSteady 4.0 and AI-driven horizon steady with full 360-degree horizon leveling means no matter how intense your movement, your footage stays perfectly balanced. Whether you're skiing, diving, biking, or skydiving, the Osmo Action 6 keeps your shots locked and buttery smooth. The AI element introduces real-time shake prediction, analyzing your movement to compensate even before the camera feels the motion. It's stabilization that doesn't just react, it anticipates. Battery life is another area where DJI seems to have broken new ground. The Action 6 is reportedly offering up to 4 hours of continuous recording, an enormous leap compared to most competitors. That means more time shooting and less time worrying about charging, ideal for travelers or vloggers on the go. Even in 4K modes, early testing suggests battery performance that comfortably beats both GoPro and Insta360's latest models. Integration and usability have also taken a big step forward. The Osmo Action 6 pairs seamlessly with Garmin devices and Apple Watch, letting you control recording, switch shooting modes, and even overlay real-time metrics like heart rate, altitude, or speed directly onto your footage. For adventure athletes, that's a dream come true. No need for complicated setups or editing overlays later. And then there's the pricing surprise. DJI seems to be going for a knockout punch this year with aggressive pricing that undercuts the competition. The base bundle is expected at around $329, with a mid-tier extras bundle at $429, and an adventure bundle packed with additional mounts and batteries ranging between $479 and $579. For a camera boasting specs like an adjustable aperture, 8K resolution, and AI-powered stabilization, that's a staggering value proposition. DJI is clearly aiming not just to compete, but to dominate. The release timeline adds to the excitement. All ear whispers pointed to a late October announcement, but no reports from accessory manufacturers suggest that the official reveal and pre-orders will happen before November 10, 2025, with shipments hitting shelves by mid-November. In other words, it's right around the corner. DJI is clearly lining this up to steal the holiday season spotlight, and judging by the leaks, it's working. When comparing the Osmo Action 6 to its predecessor, the Action 5 Pro, the differences are striking. The 5 Pro already impressed users with its 1.3-inch sensor and 4K 120 FPS capability, but the Action 6's leap to a 1-inch sensor completely changes the game. Expect vastly improved low-light performance, higher detail, and more cinematic depth of field. If you enjoy the vivid imagery and stability of the 5 Pro, the 6 looks set to make it feel almost outdated overnight. The upgraded RockSteady 4.0 stabilization takes everything great about the 5 Pro's RockSteady and turns it up a notch. Full 360-degree leveling means you can literally rotate the camera mid-shot, and the horizon will remain perfectly flat. Add in real-time AI-assisted corrections, and you're essentially carrying a pocket-sized gimbal that never needs calibration. Durability remains a key selling point too. Like its predecessor, the Action 6 is rated for extreme conditions, fully waterproof to 20 meters, freeze-resistant down to -20 C, and built to withstand dust, dirt, and impacts. DJI understands that action cameras need to survive the chaos of real-world adventures, and this one clearly can. So which camera should you choose? For casual creators or those already happy with the 5 Pro's capabilities, it still remains a fantastic option. But for anyone seeking the best of the best, the richest image quality, longest battery life, most advanced stabilization, and full creative control, the Action 6 is the undeniable winner. It's not just an upgrade, it's a new benchmark. The Osmo Action 6 proves that DJI isn't just keeping pace with GoPro and Insta360, it's setting the standard. From its cinematic sensor to its innovative aperture system and unbeatable value, this is a camera built for the future of content creation. Whether you're a filmmaker chasing perfection, a vlogger documenting your travels, or an athlete pushing limits, the Action 6 is ready to keep up. DJI has just redrawn the battle lines in the action camera world, and everyone else is officially playing catch-up.